In this quick video, we'll walk through how to manually add subscribers to GetResponse, which is a feature many users find essential when building their email list. Stick around till the end because we'll also highlight some alternative tools that may better suit your needs and offer exclusive free trials you can't get anywhere else. Let's dive in. First, if you're looking to add subscribers manually to GetResponse, start by logging into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Contacts section on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see the option to either import your contacts or add them one at a time. Since we're talking about manual addition, let's click on Add Contact. Next thing, a new window will pop up where you'll enter the subscriber's details. You'll need to input their email address, first name, and any other relevant details you want to collect, like last name, phone number, etc. Keep in mind that adding extra fields can help segment your email list later on. But remember, the more details you add here, the more specific your follow-ups can be, so it's worth spending some time organizing this. Once you've filled out the details, you'll need to assign them to a list. This is important because GetResponse is all about organizing your contacts into lists, making it easier to target different groups with your campaigns. Choose the list where you want the subscriber to appear or create a new one if needed. But don't rush through this part. Creating targeted lists helps with effective email marketing later on. Now, the fourth thing, after adding the subscriber, you'll see the option to add them to an automation or send them a welcome email. This can be a great way to engage your new subscribers right off the bat. It saves you time by automating the follow-up process, which can improve your overall engagement rates. But you should be cautious when setting up automations to avoid bombarding new subscribers with too many emails at once. After setting up the automation, click Add to confirm, and your subscriber is manually added to GetResponse. You'll see them listed in your contacts, and from there, you can segment them further, track their interactions, and run your email campaigns. But here's the catch. GetResponse is definitely a solid email marketing tool, but some users find its interface a bit clunky and the automation options can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. If you're looking for something more user-friendly with simpler automation features, you might want to consider some alternatives. For instance, MailChimp offers a similar manual addition feature, but with a more intuitive interface and flexible automation options. Another contender is ConvertKit, which also allows manual subscriber management, but is particularly well-suited for creators and bloggers. These tools might be better for people who want a simpler experience, but they still come with their own drawbacks, especially when it comes to more advanced features. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're finding GetResponse a little tricky or not quite right for your needs, we've got you covered. Through our exclusive link, you can grab an extended free trial of GetResponse, but we're also offering alternatives like MailChimp and ConvertKit that could work better depending on your specific goals. These platforms also offer free trials, so you can test them out risk-free before making your decision. Be sure to check out the description below to claim your best free trial and exclusive benefits, only available through our link. Don't miss out on exploring these options that might be a better fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and good luck growing your email list.